Alright guys, I'll change the brake discs and calipers for this VW up. Extremely cheap, 30 pounds for a set of two. At the back we've got drum brakes, so I'm not gonna change them now, but to do this job fairly easy. We need to take the pins out at the back, which is holding the whole caliper. So we'll do it now. Here is one at the top here, one cap. There is one more at the bottom. Where is it? Just right there. Okay, caps off. I think I will need number 7 hex bit to unscrew them, so I'll do them now. So it is, you will need number 7 hex bit. So here is pin coming out. First one, we'll need to clean it and lubricate it when you put it back in. And here is the second. So clean them both and lubricate them. Now once pins are out, the caliper should just come out. Okay, caliper was a bit rusty, but here it is. It just slides out with the brake pads. One. And two. Okay, so you hang the caliper on a side, don't kink the brake lines over here. Alright, now we need T30 Torx bit. Alright guys, so the brake disc is loose now. You will need a hammer because it bakes to the metal behind. Just tap it on the sides, tap it. If it doesn't work, put some penetration spray as well, and eventually it comes off. So the old one is out. I'll clean around here a little bit, put some copper grease before I put a new one on. Alright, now I have cleaned the area now, just to have it clean a little bit, makes it nice. Put some copper grease so it doesn't bake all around a little bit. So next time, if you need to replace it, it will be easier to take it off. Alright, copper grease is on. We can put our new brake disc. Here is my new brake disc. Just align it, get it on. And it comes with a new screw. This time it's a Phillips screw to lock it in place. Alright, new brake pads are in. Here is the old ones. They go the same way as they came out. They are different on one end to the other. You will just notice from the pins. Look at the new one, how thick it is, and the old one. So that's all good. What we're gonna do now is put the pins back in. So clean your pins and lubricate them. I use silicone grease. Just put a generous amount of grease and move it around. So that's one. Put back in. That can go back in from behind. That's one. And second one. Okay, both are in place. I'll need to torque it now. Once that's done, we will clean the brake disc with the brake cleaner, and the job is done. We'll put the wheel back on and go to the another side. Alright, nearly done. We need 30 Newton meters to torque the pins. Alright, pins are torqued to 30 Newton meters. Need some brake cleaner. Clean the disc. Okay, all done. Thanks for watching.